Hey everyone, Emily from Create86 here. So I have an exciting unboxing. I already took it out of the box, to be honest. It was just a little tiny box that it came in. It came from Amazon. This is a Filofax Luxe planner. It's patent. This is kind of sentimental for me because I started in a domino, which is very similar to this. And I really just love this look. And I wasn't brave enough to buy it before, but I love it. Just even looking at it and touching it, it feels really nice. So it does have the string closure, and then you open it up. This might be one that takes a minute to lay flat, but that's okay with me. Let's pull this off. I've never seen this before, so it's an interesting way of protecting the pages, I guess. It's just a regular personal size Filofax. Let's take this off as well. Personal is my size. There is one pocket here. There is a elastic pen holder, which is nice. And then there is the same pocket in the back. I love the domino. I used it for years and years and years. So it was my first Filofax and my first planner, and I loved it. So I'll just go through the basics. If you've never seen a Filofax before, it comes with a flyleaf in the front. And then it comes with your 6 dividers, numbered 1 through 6. I don't know. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just use them as guides and create my own dividers. So then it has to-do lists and all the normal papers, like lined paper in multiple colors. It has graph paper, it has plain paper, and then it has lined in blue, green, and pink. Then you have a contacts list. There's a lot of contacts in this one. I feel like there's not normally that many. Every Filofax comes with a ruler, so that's nice, like a snap-out ruler. And then this came with 2020 inserts. I didn't have to pay extra for these, which is nice. On the Filofax website, you do now have to pay extra. They don't just come with your planner, so be prepared for that if you are unaware of that. It comes with all kinds of notable dates, national information, your personal page of information, 19, 20, and 21 year at a glance. And then it is a week on 2 pages, which I love. I started in this and I'm still in this type of planner to this day. Most people hate the personal, the paper that comes in a Filofax, but I don't hate it. I've never had an issue with it. I love it. I just love Filofax in general. And then it comes with, so you get your full year, then you get some notes pages in the back, and it goes all the way to January 6th of 2021. And you can order if you want to, and then it comes with this top-loading envelope. So yeah, dominoes are great. I love them. And I just love this planner in general. It's very sleek looking, very professional. Yeah, so I can't wait to set it up and personalize it. It's gonna look super cute. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.